Flower School 101 in New York with Amy and John. What brought you to Flower School?
Amy brought us here. She just
Love of flowers.
love flowers.
And John's
This
visiting
is her
from
second career.
career.
So I'm
John's
just
visiting
tagging
from
along.
Minneapolis, where I have a
Minneapolis,
school, but he
absolutely.
came to
There
this
is a
one.
school in Minneapolis in Roseville.
He came to this, and now I'm going to take you down to their arrangement. Put them together side by side. Look. They look great on camera, by the way. Beautiful. Now separate them by just a little bit. Okay. And here's Amy. See if I get close to you. See, oh, that little.
Great school. Everybody should attend. This is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience.
Thank
Well
you.
worth it.
Thank you. How hard was that to do?
It wasn't that difficult.
A little tricky.
Little.
I make them do perfect designs, even though it's only their second day. I'm a slave driver. Crack that whip. Very chic, very pretty. I love them. What do you do with your talents, Miss Amy?
I am a school teacher.
Oh, we talked about the horse at school teacher. She's going to become a florist. You're happy like me. And John, what do you do with yours?
Lord, have mercy on my soul. All my contractors find out I'm making flower arrangements instead of building buildings.
Well, wait till you give them a great deal on their daughter's weddings. Then they will come to love you. Thank you very much, Flower School 101.
Very great course. Love it.
Thank
Awesome
you.
course.
You guys are great.